So today we'll be seeing about the truth table representation. So here is a question. Develop a truth table. You all can take a book as well as pen also. If you have any doubts, you all can ask me. Develop a truth table for a system which accepts two 2-bit binary numbers and generates 3 outputs. The first output indicates when the two numbers differ by 2 or more. The second output indicates when the two numbers are identical. And the third output indicates when the first number exceeds the second number. Okay. So here, how many inputs and how many outputs you'll be having? They are telling that you have to develop a truth table which accepts two 2-bit binary numbers. So altogether, you'll be having 4 inputs. Each number will be 2-bit. So 2 numbers you'll be having. And you'll be having 3 outputs. The first output indicates when the two numbers differ by 2 or more. At that time it will be high. High means it will be logic 1. The second output indicates when the two numbers are identical. That means when both two numbers are same, the output will be 1. And the third output indicates when the first number exceeds the second number. If the first number is greater than the second number, the last output will be 1. So how it is written? So you'll be having 4 inputs. This one, A, B, C, D. So what they have told, two inputs, which is 2-bit. So this is one number AB and this is one number CD. And you'll be having 3 outputs, X, Y, Z. Okay. So 2 inputs, altogether 4 inputs. So how you'll be writing? 2 raised to 4, you'll be having 16 combinations. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So here what it is? In the question, it is the first output indicates when the two numbers differ by 2. Or we will see for the second output. Second output, what they are telling? When two numbers are identical. You can write if you want. Second output indicates when they are identical. So identical means it is same. That is Y. See here, Y. Okay, the second output. So when it is same 0, 0, here is it is also 0, 0. At that time it will be 1. Again next where it is, here it is 0, 1, here it is 0, 1. So it is same, so it will be 1. Next. Here it is 1, 0, here it is 1, 0. So the second output is 1. Okay. So next, here it is 1, 1, here it is 1, 1. The output is 1. Okay. For second output, we have seen the truth table. So for first output, what they have told? What is the question for the first output? First output indicates when the two numbers differ by 2 or more. Okay. So where it is? See here, 0, 0 means 0. Decimal notation, 0, 0 means it is 0. 0, 1 means it is 1. I'll write here. 0, 0 means it is, 0. Okay. So 0, 1 means it is 1. 1, 0 means it is decimal notation 2. 1, 1 means decimal notation 3. Is it visible what I'm writing? Is it visible what I'm writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 0, 0 means decimal notation 0. 0, 1 means decimal notation 1. 1, 0 means decimal notation 2. 1, 1 means decimal notation 3. Okay. So what they have given? First output, that is X is the output here. Okay. First output when it is 1, when it is differing by 2 or more. Okay. So now you can see here 0, 0, 0, 0. It is identical. So the second output was 1. This is 0, 0 means it is 0. Okay, it is 0. 0, 1 means it is 1. So 0 minus 1, that means it is 1. It is not differing by 2. So it will be 0 only. So 0, 0 means it is 0. 1, 0 means it is 2. So 0 minus 2 or 2 minus 0, it is 2. So it is differing by 2. So it is 1. Got understood? So now 0, 0 means 0. 1, 1 means 3. What they have told in the question, if it is differing by 2 or more, then the output will be 1. Okay. So here it will be 1. What? So next, still where it is 0, 1 means 1. This is 0. 0, 1 means 1. 0, 1 means 1. So it is identical. The second output will be 1. So here it is 0, 1. Here it is 1, 0. That is 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. It is 1. It is not differing by 2 or more. So it will be 0 itself. Okay. So here it is 0, 1 means 1. 1, 1 means 3. So 3 minus 1 again it is 2. So here it is differing by 2. So it is 1. This is 2. This is 0. Again it is differing by 2. So it is 1. This is 2 and this is 1. So it is not differing by 2. So it is 0. Here it is 2. Here it is 2. It is identical. So the second output will be 1. Here it is 2 and here it is 3. Again it is not differing by 2. So it will be 0. Okay. So here 1, 1 means 3. 3 minus 0. It is differing by 2 and it is more than that. They have told if it differs by 2 or more, then there should be output. That is, it should be 1. So here it is 1. 3 minus 1, again it is 2. Again here it is 1. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 2, it is less than 2. So it is 0. 3 minus 3, it is identical. It will be 0 and here it will be 1. Okay. So for the last output, what they have told? And the third output indicates when the first number exceeds the third number. So what it is? Third output indicates when the first number is greater than, exceeds means it is greater than the second number. So we shall see. So this is 0, this is 0. So it is not greater. This is 0, this is 1, it is not greater. This is 0, this is 2, it is not greater. This is 0 and this is 3, it is not greater. So 0, 1 means it is 1. This number is greater than this number because this is 1 decimal notation. This is 0 decimal notation. So 1 is greater than 0. At that output, it will be 1. Okay. So next, this is identical. Hence, the second output will be 1. Here again, this is 0, 1 means it is 1. 1, 0 means it is 2. This number is not greater than this number, so it will be 0. 0, 1 means 1. 1, 1 means 3. So this number is not greater than this number. So it will be 0. Here 1, 0 means it is 2. 0, 0 means it is 0. So 2 is greater than 0. So here it will be 1. So 2 is greater than this number. Again it will be 1. 2 and this is 2. It is identical. Here it will be 0. This is 3. That is, this number is greater than this number. This number, again it is 3 and this is 1. Again it is greater. So corresponding output will be 1. Here corresponding output will be 1. This is 3 and this is 2. Okay, it will be 1. This is 3 and this is 3. It is identical. So here it will be 0. So this completes your first question. Understood? Any doubts? Any doubts? Anybody? Don't hesitate to ask questions. Okay, we'll go for the second one. Here what they have told, give the truth table representation of a system which takes two 2-bit binary number as its input and generates an output to indicate when the sum of the two numbers is odd. What they have told, it should generate an output and tell when the sum of two numbers is odd. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. So now here we will see what they have told. It is 2-bit numbers. What was the question? Read the question carefully. Give the truth table representation of a system which takes two 2-bit binary numbers. So there are two numbers and each number is 2-bit. So altogether how many inputs you will be having? 4 inputs you will be having. Understood? Understand that question. Give the truth table representation of a system which takes two 2-bit binary numbers. Okay. So they are telling there are two numbers. Each number is 2-bit. So altogether, how many bits you'll be having? 4 bits you'll be having as its input and generates an output. So one single output is there, and that output indicates what? When the two numbers, when the sum of the two numbers is odd. So when you add those numbers, if it is odd, at that time the output should be generated. Okay. So now we will see. So there are how many bits altogether? There are 4 bits. So 4 bits means you'll be having 16 combinations. So that is from 0 till 15. So now this AB is one input, sorry, one number. CD is one number. Okay. So you write down all the combinations from 0 till 15. So as I've told here, 0, 0 means 0, 0, 1 means 1, 1, 0 means 2, 1, 1 means 3. So after writing the combination, now you add and see. 0, 0 means it is only this 2-bit you see, because 2-bit is one single number. 0, 0 means 0. 0, 0 means 0. So 0 plus 0, it is 0. It is not an odd number. So this remains, output will be 0. So 0, 0 means 0. 0, 1 means 1. So 0 plus 1, 1. 1 is an odd number. So it will generate an output here. That is 1. Okay. So 0, 0 means 0. 1, 0 means 2. So 0 plus 2, it is 2. It is an even number. So it will be 0. So 0, 0 means 0. 1, 1 means 3. So 0 plus 3, it is 3. That is, it is an odd number. So we will write 1 here. That is, an output is generated at the output. So this is 0, 1 means 1. 0, 0 means 0. So 1 plus 0, what it is? 1. So that means it is an odd number. So an output will be generated here. In the same way, this is 1. 0, 1 means 1. 0, 1 means 1. So 1 plus 1, it is 2. It is an even number. So an output will not be generated. So we will be writing here 0. So here 0, 1, it is 1. 1, 0 means 2. So 1 plus 2, what it is? 3. So 3 is an odd number. So when it is an odd number, what happens? An output is generated. So here you will be writing 1. Got? Understood? So 0, 1 means 1. 1, 1 means 3. So 1 plus 3 is what? It is 4. 4 is an even number. When it is an even number, no output is generated. So it is 0. So 1, 0 means 2. 0, 0 means 0. 2 plus 0, it is 2. It is an even number. So it is 0. 1, 0 means 2. 0, 1 means 1. 2 plus 1, it is 3. It is an odd number and hence an output will be generated, that is 1. Okay. So 1, 0 means 2. 1, 0 means 2. That means 2 plus 2, it is 4. 4 means it is an even number. So no output will be generated. So it is 0. Okay. So 1, 0 means 2. This is 3. 2 plus 3, it is 5. 5 means it is an odd number. So output will be generated. That is logic 1 you will be getting here. Okay. So next, 1, 1 means 3. This is 0, 0 means 0. 3 plus 0, it is 3. So it is an odd. So output will be generated. 3 plus 1, it is 4. So no output will be generated and hence it is 0. Here 3, 1, 1 means 3. 1, 0 means 2. 3 plus 2, it is 5. 5 means an output should be generated. So it is 1. This is 3. 1, 1 means 3. And 1, 1 means 3. 3 plus 3, it is 6. It is an even number, so no output will be generated. So it is 0. Now write the truth table. Next question, write the truth table for 4 input system indicating when majority of its input are true. So what they have told? They have directly told how many inputs you are having? 4 inputs you are having. And how many outputs you are having? 1 output you are having. So when the output is generated, when majority of its input is 1, then the output is 1. Write the truth table for a 4 input system indicating when majority of its inputs are true. True means 1. Okay, true means 1, false means 0. So they are telling majority of 4 input means how many input you are having 4 inputs. So total combinations will be 16. So majority of 4 means how many will you tell? Majority of 4 means it is 3. You cannot tell majority of 4 is 2. Okay, majority of 4 means it is 3. So when 3 inputs are 1, then output will be generated as 1. Okay, so let us see the truth table. Okay, so here you are having 4 inputs A, B, C, D and 1 output Y. Okay, so where is majority of its input is true, then the output is generated. Majority of its input are true means when it is 1. So 4 inputs you are having here 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 3 are true. That is 3 are 1. So 1, 1, 1, then output is generated as 1. Okay. So next, where it is still? So here 1, 2, 3 are 1. So then an output is generated. Okay. So here 1, 1, 0, 1. So 3 inputs are true. That is 1, 1, 1. It is 1. 1, 2, 3. It is 1. Again, if majority means 3 or more than 3, if it is 1, then the output is generated as 1. Okay. When they tell you to write the expression for this truth table, how will you write? How will you write? You will be writing as, I'll just write here, y is equal to, where it is 1? Here at decimal notation 7. So you all know this is called as 0, this is called as 1, this is called as 2, this is called as 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So y is equal to, what will I write? What are the inputs they have given? It is A, B, C, D. So now, so 0 means it is A bar, 1 means it is B, this is C, this is D. So I'll be writing as A bar, B, C, sorry, comma, A bar, B, C, D. Okay. And still where it is 1? 1, 0, 1, 1. So 1, 0, 1, 1 means, how will you write? That is 1, 0, A, B bar, 1, 0. B bar means 0. C, 1, 0, 1, 1. So 1, 0, 0 means it is with bar. C is 1, D is 1. Okay. So 1, 0, 1, 1. So still where it is 1, how will you write the expression seeing the truth table? I am telling you all. So here it is 1, 1, 0, 1. And it is 1, 1, 1, 0. It is 1, 1, 1. So how will you write? You will be writing 1, 1, 0, 1. It is A, B, C bar, D. Okay. So next 1, 1, 0, 1 it is. So next 1, 1, 1, 0. A, B, C, D bar plus it is 1, 1, 1. So A, B, C, D. So corresponding 1 where it is, there you will be writing the expression. Here it is 1, so I'll be writing this as A bar, B, C, D. Okay. So here it is A, B, C bar, D. Here it is A, B, C, D bar. Here it is A, B, C, D. So I'll be writing the expression in the same way. Or if they ask you to write in decimal notation, how will you write? You'll be writing y is equal to summation. Sigma you'll be using. Okay. So where it was 1, it is 1 at 7. This is 7. So 0, 1, 1 means it is 7. Where it is 1, output where it is 1, here it is. So it is, this one is 10, this one is 11. Okay, 11. It is 13, 14, 15. So I'll write y is equal to summation. I cannot use here. Y is equal to, I'll write small m, that is min terms. It means small m 7, comma 11. Okay. Then 13, comma 14, comma 15. Okay. So how many altogether? This is one min term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is comma. So like this you will be writing. So this is the truth table representation. In the same way, previous what we have written, there also you can write the decimal notation as well as the expression. Whatever they ask, if they ask you to write expression, you should be able to write expression seeing the truth table. Or if they ask you write the decimal notation, you should be able to write the decimal notation. So y is equal to, you will be writing summation 1, 3, 4, 6, 9, 11, 12, because 1 is here. Correspondingly, I am saying 11, 11, 12, 14. In the same way, for this truth table, if you write, as it is having 3 outputs, so there will be different decimal notation for x, different decimal notation for y, and different decimal notation for z. So x, where it is 1, you will be seeing and you will be writing the decimal notation. So any doubts regarding truth table? Have you all understood? Have you all understood?